Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a controller to Rainbow Six Mobile. If you prefer playing with a controller instead of touch controls, the good news is that the game supports external controllers and setting it up is actually pretty simple. First, you need to connect your controller to your device. If you're using a wireless controller like a PlayStation or Xbox controller, just turn on Bluetooth on your phone, put your controller into pairing mode, and connect it from your Bluetooth settings. Once it is connected, your device should recognize it right away. After that, you want to open your Rainbow Six Mobile and head into the settings menu. Look for the controller section. And from there, you can edit your controller settings and even customize your button layout if needed. Once everything is set up, jump into a match and test it out. The controls should automatically switch from touch to controller input. If something feels off, you can always go back into settings and adjust sensitivity or button mapping to fit your playstyle. Just keep in mind that not all features may be fully optimized depending on your device, so you might need to tweak a few settings to get the best experience. And that's about it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.